Hey guys, it's Keke and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I have a hauls from my local fresh dollar store. So let's get started. I purchased the LA Colors lip gloss in the shade No More Drama. Very nude colors. LA Colors lip liner in the shade Chocolate. Lip liner pencil. This is by the Color Spell brand. This is in the shade Mauve and it is the matte and liner matte lipstick set. A crease brush, and this is also by the Color Spell brand. Picked up a foundation brush. Sorry for the glare. And I purchased an eye brush. Last item that I purchased. This was a great find. It was a good deal, so I picked this up. This is the Vivitar Simply Beautiful LED Vanity Light Up Mirror. So guys, that completes my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.